Welcome friends towards my new video which is about Excel formula bot words into formula, that is Excel formula. So this is the website where you can convert the wordings into the Excel formula. Stop wasting hours creating the Excel formulas. You only will transform your text instruction into Excel formula in seconds with the help of AI and with this website. You can see here, this is the website Excel formula bot. Here you can write your wording. Suppose sum column A when column B starts with the word hello and column C ends with a number. When we have put this, you can see here that it is converted into a formula which is equal to sign sum if S A B B hello CC 0 to 9. So this is the Excel formula. So instead, this is a very useful technique. Instead of searching for formulas, making formulas, creating formulas for the Excel, just we have to write these words and the formula will be generated. I hope so that this is very useful information for you and you will like the video. Then it is requested to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.